Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to do a layout for the Not Just for Boys Kit Club kits, and I'm working with the main kit, the premium kit, which is called Spectrum this month. And quite frankly, I am smitten with this kit. I didn't know that it was going to be my favorite kit of all time, but it is. It officially is my favorite kit that they have put out. So this time, the first time I concentrated on the Simple Stories paper that's in the kit. Gorgeous, fun. It's this one. It's this one. I had two and I've tortured both of them. All right, so this time I'm really concentrating on this gorgeous piece here. I believe it's by Reminisce. Let me see. It is by Reminisce and it's from Quote Book Hello Summer. So I love this. I love this so much. I cannot tell you how gorgeous I think this is. So what I think I'm going to do is cut off the branding strip, and I'm going to go ahead and mat it on this black and white piece. This piece is Echo Park Dots and Stripes in black. And I'm going to use the black and white side. There's also a black and gray. But for my purposes, wanting it to just create some drama in a summer layout, that's going to work. And then this is the back side of the same sheet. And I'm going to cut this piece out here. And I believe these sunglasses out from here. So far, we'll see. But that's what I'm looking at with that. Now, let me show you the photo. This is my son and his girlfriend, and they were in northern Michigan. This right here is, let me see. Okay, that's Lake Michigan. I'm looking to see what we have. So that's Lake Michigan right there. Right there are a bunch of sand dunes, and right back there is North Bar Lake. Yeah, that really tells you, what's what. So love that. Love the lavender in her swimsuit because I'm going to do a bit of color matching with this piece. Exquisite. Got that. Now there is a cut file that came with this kit, and I love this piece that reads click, and I have a hinker to kind of use it on my photo. I'll have lots of layers at some point, and so I thought I could put the word click there, maybe have a little bit of the triangle coming out, and then just use the other couple here and there. That would be fun to bring a little bit of white. Great. Now, this is an add-on, and this is, no, I'm sorry. These were in the kit. What am I thinking? And they are amazing. Go with this paper beautifully. I have these Pebbles puffy dots I can sprinkle. That would be super fun. And I also have all of these little tabs and frames in the correct color. So that will be super fun. Okay, and that's just my stamp. Now on the other tray I have on my desk right here, I have all these add-on beautiful little bits. Let me see. I'm trying to see what's gonna work. I have sequins. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay. Ooh, look at these that will work. These cute little cameras. So those will work. I have these little sun words. I've got Pretty Little Studio Chasing the Sun little die cuts. And then let's see what else. I also have these alphas to work with. Guys, I have so many fun things. This set of Vicki Boutin titles, as well as there's all these little puffy bits that I can sprinkle down the sides. And I have lets me remember that it's a la carte. Summer word flag cut aparts that I can sprinkle. So I have a lot of cool stuff is my point. There is a point. So what I'm going to do now, obviously trim my photo so we don't have all of these extra bits on. I'm going to cut off my branding strip, and I think I'm going to tear an edge on this side. I think that needs to be done. It does not have to be a huge torn edge, but it will be a torn edge like so. Got it. Well, that's done. I'll gut my black and white paper because it's gorgeous. So I'm going to have a torn edge, and I'm going to do a really nice heavy sewing line around there. Yes, I am. All right, I'm going to get doing these little bits. I'm going to mat my photo 3 million times, detail cut out this piece and these sunnies, and I'll be back in a jiffy. So check-in time. I've got some really nice traction on this. Let me show you what I've done. I've scuffed up my edges so I have a little white core showing. I did a really thick stitch around 3 of the sides of my layouts. And then I'm pretty much just scuffing and rolling this side. It doesn't really matter that the print is different colors. I actually like that it is. So I have that, little rolly bits. Then the die cuts that came with this, or the cut files, I went ahead and just made fun little shaker pockets out of them with this sequin mix that was in the a la carte section. So, oh, and I told you I was going to cut out these 2 pieces out of the back side of this to create little die cuts for that. Great. So now what I'm going to do, I saved just a few sequins in the event that I want to sprinkle some sequins around. So that's to the side of me. Okay. Now what I want to do is just go through all of my other bits. I want to see if any of these pieces will work, which I know they will. I'm going to try to do a little color matching. So we're going to see how it goes. So I want to do that. I need a title. And let's see, I've got these stunning acrylics I want to bring in, and enamel dots and all that kind of stuff. I also have creamies, both in Dandelion and Let Us Get Together. So I have lots that I can use. So in the meantime, I just want to see, since this is a great spot to put the blue, you know how I said I wanted to start looking at this almost like a color matching kind of exercise. So, and yes, my dog is having himself a total nap right now. Geez Louise. So I can use, I like that these are different sizes. Oh, that's pretty. So I think I'll use these 3. All right, so I will have 3 tabs in the blue color matching spot. I'm going to scuff them up. Scuffy, scuffy. And I'm going to pop my title on, and then remember, I have these flare that I like so much. I want to see if I can fit any of them in the color matching bits too. Oh, okay, so I'm going to play around a little bit and see what I can fit where. I'll be right back. So I thought I would pop in and show you my progress. I popped in 3 tags in approximately the correct colors. Not the correct, I mean, it really, there's 0 correct anything in this situation, but in corresponding colors. How is it that Glossy Accents gets stopped up every single time? You would think that like it would sometimes just be ready to go, but it is not true. All right, so I want that. And yes, there's all kinds of cameras, but I do have the word click, so that works. I'm gonna use this, this side. Yeah, I'd like to use 2 different sides. These fab little acrylic cameras, and that can nestle right in there in this little notch. Looks like it's made for it. And then I have a lime green one, and I'm going to have it sit just across the threshold of these 2 colors because I want it to still be a part of this cluster here. Okay, I mean, yes, lime green's down there, but you have to ish sometimes. All right, so we have that. That is great. Now what I thought I would do is see which of these bits I can work in as well. So I have this cute set of pink hearts. Or let's see. I have the pink hearts. Do I have anything in blue? Oh, I have this little teal color. Oops, that Glossy Accents is wet. There we go. Takes a minute to set. So I have some of the teal. I want to make sure, or not make sure, I want to get in whatever I can from these pieces because I think they're so gorgeous. So I have this. So it's not like really true yellow. It goes more into the orange. So I think I will use yellow and orange. Ooh, you know what? This color is way more up into that vibe. Then I will put this heart right here. So yeah, just build, build, build. Gonna have some fun with it. Oh, this is a gorgeous tone. And pop in whatever I can because these are gorgeous. Let me bring it more like that so it looks like a 3 heart cluster there. And then let's see, more pink. Pink can just go hanging out right there. I can have a little pink right here too. Do I want it popped up? Nah, let's make it hang out there. It's so cute. I can put another little heart right here. I think I'll have it partially behind that. Great. Oh, is there another? You know what I could do? Get in some of these little bits. Just in whatever spaces. So yeah, I'm just going to keep doing this. So I don't really see a turquoise. I see it's like a greeny turquoise, so it's more in this tone. So let's just capitalize on that. It will be grand. Oh, here's another heart too. How cute. So cute. Okay, so that's making that side look cute. So like I said, doing tone on tone on tone on tone. Now with my little tab bits, and I'm going to put more in. I just thought I'd show you my update. I'm going to put a couple wordy bits in there. I put my title across some of the blue space of the sky right on top of my photo. So I have that. So I'm going to keep doing this, but I wanted to bring you along and show you what I meant by my tone on tone stuff. And yeah, having a ball. Oh, these feel nice. Okay, so I can have this word vacation right here. Big enough spot for that. Cute. Beach is obvious. That already says beach, please, right there. Summer breeze and see you soon. Sandcastle, seashore. I already had see you soon up there. So, what else? What else? I mean, we can tell we're on the beach. Is that super obvious? Do I care if it's super obvious? Not really. All right, so I'll put them there. And remember, I was planning on finishing this whole thing up with some of my splatty bits, so it'll kind of mucky up the different areas. Anyway, I'm going to keep doing my color matching, seeing whatever else I can get on, and I'll be back to do the splatty bits with you. So I've decided to go sans splatty bits. And what I think I want to do, because I'm really low on enameled, on my sequins, so I'm just going to make a couple different clusters with black and white sequins right around the clusters that are already here and call it a day. Now I have great things I can do splatty bits with, but I'm really liking this tone on tone kind of vibe. So I figure I might as well just stick with what I have and it will work out rather nicely. So I have that. Let's see. Oh, well, at least in this little cluster, I know I can use that. The color matches perfectly. So that's how I'm going to finish this up. I'm going to just do 3 little sequin clusters. I think it'll come out so cute. I don't even know where this one's going. And that will be it for this layout. So I had lots of fun, played with some techniques. I have the sewing, I have shaker pockets, I have all of that fun stuff going on. So if you guys have any questions about it, feel free to leave them down below or, on our Facebook group, website, all that kind of stuff. And I will get back to you as soon as I can. So should I include a turquoise sequin again in the non-turquoise section? Then again, I don't really have pink sequins with this, do I? Do I? Nope, I have, no, okay. I will keep with the way I had the other ones going. All right, and that will complete my layout. I hope you like what I came up with. I did have, I'm gonna have one more cluster, I think, right down here. I had so much fun creating this one, and bar none, my favorite kit to work with so far. So I hope you like it too. And I'll have still shots in just a second right there. Okay, bye for now, friends. I forgot to do a bit of a close-up so you can see texture, dimension. Oh, and I did switch out that teal sequin because I thought I should stay a little bit more consistent with that extra little touch that I played with. And that is it, folks. I have some scuffy bits over here like we talked about. Remember, that's just the back side with all those pieces that you can do cut aparts with, but it has just enough color on the side that I'm kind of digging it. All right, that's it, friends. Bye for now.